Divergent boundaries in blue, and those are most of our mid-ocean ridges, except for Africa, the East Africa Rift. We have convergent boundaries in red. That's where oceanic crust is generally subducting under continental crust, or here at the Himalayas, we have a collision boundary. And then in yellow, we have the transform boundaries, which is the San Andreas Fault and around the Caribbean Plate and the Scotia Plate and things like that. So the question is, where do shallow focus earthquakes occur? Where do intermediate depth earthquakes occur, intermediate depth focus? And where do deep foci, where do they exist? So if we look at shallow focuses, those are ones that are where earthquakes occur that's not deep. You can see that it really occurs at all plate boundaries, shallow focuses, all right? If we think about intermediate depth focuses, now that's where the earthquake would occur deeper in the lithosphere and maybe even into the asthenosphere. That's mostly, what color? Mostly red. That's convergent boundaries. And then logically speaking, where would a deep focus be found? That's where the earthquake occurs really deep into the Earth's lithosphere and asthenosphere. And that is also less common, but only where you have these red convergent boundaries. So that's the relationship between the type of boundary and the depth of the earthquake focus.